Facilitated communication, FC, is a way to help people with severe communication difficulties. It is a method used to assist individuals who cannot speak or who have trouble speaking clearly. This approach involves a facilitator who helps the person communicate by supporting their hand or arm while they type on a keyboard or point to pictures or letters. How does it work? In facilitated communication, a facilitator supports the person's hand or arm. This support can be physical, such as holding the wrist, or it can be more subtle, like providing a steadying touch on the shoulder. The facilitator's job is not to guide the person's movements, but to help them feel more confident and controlled. The person being assisted then uses a keyboard, a letterboard, or other communication devices to spell out words and sentences. The goal is to help them express their thoughts, needs, and feelings. Who uses facilitated communication? FC is often used with individuals who have autism, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, or other conditions that affect their ability to speak. These individuals may have normal intelligence but struggle to communicate because of their physical limitations. Benefits of facilitated communication. Facilitated communication can provide many benefits. It can help people express themselves in ways they could not before. This can lead to better social interactions and improve quality of life. It can also give individuals a voice in their education, healthcare, and daily living decisions. Controversies and criticisms. Despite its potential benefits, facilitated communication is controversial. Some experts argue that the facilitator might unintentionally influence the messages being typed. They worry that the communication may not truly come from the person, but from the facilitator. Studies have shown mixed results. Some studies suggest that FC can be effective for certain individuals, while others indicate that it may not always work as intended. Because of this, many professionals recommend using other communication methods alongside FC to ensure accuracy. Alternative communication methods. There are many other ways to help people with communication difficulties. Augmentative and alternative communication, AAC devices are often used. These include picture boards, speech-generating devices, and apps on tablets or smartphones. Speech therapy can also help individuals develop better communication skills. The future of facilitated communication. The debate over facilitated communication continues. Some people believe it can be a valuable tool. When used correctly, they argue that with proper training and safeguards, FC can help those who struggle to communicate. Others believe that more research is needed to understand its effectiveness fully.